Hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be about this Amazon Fire 7. I'm sure a lot of people got this for Christmas 2019. So I'm just going to show a quick step-by-step how to install the Google Play in case you want to use it. So I'm going to use it as I'm going to make the step-by-step sort of like you don't have a Visa and you're just setting it up for the first time, because the built-in Amazon App Store forces you to use a Visa. Otherwise, you can't download file programs like File Commander and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you guys directly through the video itself. All right, so the very first step you want to do is enable sources from unknown. So go to settings and then go to security and privacy. Then right here where it says apps from unknown sources, enable that. Say okay. So then you can get out of this. Now the first thing too, or the second thing now, is let's get rid of this clutter. This isn't really part of the step-by-step, but I just find all this useless stuff kind of annoying. So if you want to clean up your back a little bit here, just simply drag a file on top of another one. So there's Goodreads. You can drag this guy on top of here, and now it's going to ask you to create a folder name. So create something, well, I'll just call mine junk. So this is all the built-in stuff you can't uninstall. Okay, so on this part, it's easier if you just bring this, let's see if I can get this, bring this down to the bottom. Otherwise, you're going to be fighting with all the programs. They're going to be jumping all around. So you can just take the calculator, and then you can just, let's see if I can do this. Just throw it on top of that box. So I'll just fast forward this part. So the one you want to leave is the Silk browser, because we're going to be using that. It's not deleting them, they're just all going inside that folder. So that should be good enough for now, just so I can get on with the video. Alright, so the next step now is the Silk browser. So click on this guy, and you're going to want to go to my YouTube channel, the video you're watching right now on your Fire. So in the address bar, just type www.youtube.com/bangs6996. And then go to the video you're watching now. So you can pause it if it auto plays, and then click on this down arrow to get to the description. Scroll down. So the problem with this guy here with Silk browser is you might be able to click it, on it in order for step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, or you might have to view my folder I mean. So I'm just going to show you that way. I can try once, but I'll show you what happens. So if I click on step 1, it just might not work. So here you click on download, and it might just go into some weird loop like that where nothing happens. So if that's happening to you, you can just close that one down. So just click on the link at the top where it says here are the files, and this should bring you right to my folder itself. So this is important. Again, make sure you do it in order. So do the first one where it says 1, just in case they're mixed around or something. So here it says 1/Google or whatever. So click on this guy first. We can click download. Here where it says it can harm your device or whatever, say yeah. And then click open. And then click on the install on the bottom right. All right, now I'll say done. So you can close that window down. Or I mean, push the back arrow here. Let's see if I can get to it. So now click on number 2. Download. And again, say OK. And then open. And install. And then done. So see if I can do this right this time. Just push that once. And then I'll go on number 3. download. Download anyway. Okay. And then open. Then install. And done. So you might not have a back page this time, so now you can just click on the X there and then re-click on that top link with the drive and then click on the last one, number 4, and download. Okay. And you don't have to click open, well actually yeah, click open and install. And then now you can say done. It's best probably to reboot your Amazon 7 now, just to get everything working properly. So I'm just going to do that quickly. So I'm just going to restart it. Alright, so now you should have the Play Store icon. So now you have to create an account for it, or just log on to the one you already have. So we're going to sign in. Alright, so this is where you just log in now. Okay, so just agree to it. So I don't want it backed up. Accept it. So I'm just going to install a quick thing first, like an ebook reader, because that's what most people probably find handy with this. So I'm just going to type in any one. All right, we'll go back to see if there's one on our desktop. Anyways, so that's how you install Google Play. If there's any update files I'll need to do, I'll just constantly change them in my description so it's kind of updated. And yeah, so this guy should work now. Yep. All right, guys, that's it. Like and subscribe, and that's all.